Before using the invoice tracker, there are a few quick setup steps to complete. Start by going to the data setup section. Here you'll enter your clients, categories, services, and payment methods. Next, go to company info where you'll enter your company name, address, and start an invoice number. Once that's done, the template will be fully ready to use. Okay, so now we have our workbook open and it lists the items that we need to fill in. So we're going to go ahead and data setup first, and we're going to go ahead and add a new client. And just keep in mind that this information that you add will be used on the export of the invoice in the PDF or the Excel template. And this is just all dummy information at this point. All right, go ahead and hit save. All right, now we're going to move over to categories. Going to enter a sample category. Hit save. You can go ahead and leave these as active. And enter a sample service. Inactive, if you set it to active, no, it will not display in the drop-down boxes on the invoice form input. So save that. And lastly, we're going to go ahead and do a pay method. All right. And just to go back to clients, we double click on this, that we can bring that client back up and edit it. Same with all the other ones. All right, now we need to move on to company information. And keep in mind that this information as well will export on your invoices. And this data setup is only done one time. And that last box down there is starting invoice number. You can leave it at 1 or you can set it to something else. All right, now that we got our information in, we should be able to enter our invoices.